Introducing MaxxECU Track, the compact powerhouse built for serious performance builds. Designed as the little brother to the MaxxECU Race, Track delivers the same advanced control and flexibility in a streamlined package. Housed in a waterproof IP68 powder-coated aluminum case with Super Seal 1.0 connectors, it's built for reliability in the harshest environments. It features support up to 8 cylinders and offers extensive input and output options, providing high flexibility for installation and configuration. While a built-in 4.5 bar map sensor, dual wideband Lambda controllers, knock control, dual CAN bus, and an integrated 3-axis accelerometer provide powerful data and engine protection. With up to 8 gigabytes of internal logging at up to 1000 Hz, USB-C connectivity, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, Track ensures you always have access to the data you need. It also supports advanced features like Lua user scripting, wireless PC communication, and built-in transmission control for 8 HP, DSG, and DCT transmissions. MaxxECU Track, professional engine management built for the racetrack. Find out more at MaxxECU.com.